Here's how to fix PDF Preview Pane not working in Windows 11. If you select a PDF file but nothing appears in the preview area, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, open File Explorer and click the View option from the top navigation bar. Make sure Preview Pane is enabled. Once you've turned it on, select your PDF file and check whether the document now appears in the preview area on the right-hand side. If the PDF is still not showing in the preview pane, select the preview option from the right side and then click on your PDF file again. Check whether the document is now displayed correctly. If you're still unable to preview the file, click the 3 horizontal dots in the File Explorer toolbar and select Options. In the Folder Options window, open the View tab. Look for the option that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails, and make sure it is unchecked. Next, scroll further down through the available settings and locate the option labeled Show Preview Handlers in Preview Pane. Make sure this setting is enabled. Once you've confirmed both options, click Apply and then select OK to save your changes. If the preview pane is still not displaying your PDF files, open the Start menu, search for Adobe Acrobat, and launch the application. Once Adobe Acrobat is open, click Menu from the top and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for the option labeled Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews in Windows Explorer. Make sure this option is enabled. After turning this feature on, scroll down and click OK to save the changes. Once the settings have been updated, return to File Explorer and locate your PDF document again. You should now be able to see a preview of your PDF document instead of having a blank preview area. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.